Alright, so this is an issue I have been seeing quite a bit of lately. Now, this just happens to be on an all-in-one. I have seen this on laptops, desktops, and all-in-ones all alike. No mouse on this mouse, or no light on this mouse. No mouse input, no screen. However, it definitely is 1:27 p.m., so this screen is not frozen. It's just the mouse has no input. For some reason, there was a recent Windows update. It was KB, I want to say 4074588. The certain update pretty much, it's disabling. It's doing more than disabling the driver. It's pretty much corrupting any basic mouse or keyboard driver. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get into a recovery screen here, which is why I keep shutting it down while it's booting it up. It'll pretty much, if you do it enough, if you shut it down while it's booting up enough, it'll finally realize, hey, maybe I should be in recovery mode. And it's going to get back in recovery mode. So that's the first thing you want to do, is get it up to that blue screen recovery mode. And again, best way to do it is just to shut her down while she's turning on. Do it again. It takes about 3-4 times. There we go. Preparing automatic repair. That's what we need. So you will need a keyboard for what we are about to do, because just doing a system restore really doesn't cut it for issues like this. We're going to be doing a little more in depth. This is pretty much going to be the removal of KB4 or 4074588. And then there will be one step afterwards, which is blocking the update from coming back. So here we are up at our automatic repair page, and we do have mouse input now. So quite obviously we can tell the driver issue once the computer boots up into Windows. So what we're going to want to do, we're going to want to get on over to command prompt, and we're going to go ahead and use the dism command. We're going to do dism.exe/image, and then we're going to start with C. Some people may have a D drive for their image, so I always just start with C, and then I'll go to D if the C doesn't work. So we're going to start with C. Either way, we're going to do image/C, and then we're going to do a /get. I want to make sure we don't have a double space there. Get-packages. As long as our C directory is correct, we should see all of our installed packages. And now we are looking for package rollup fix. These aren't going to tell us our KBs. However, you really just want to look for the most recent one. So I'm seeing a 2/22 date on this here. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a dism.exe. And then, since we did find out that it is the C drive, we're going to do image C / remove package / package name, and then you're going to go ahead and copy this and then paste it in there right after package name. Hit enter. I'm gonna let it do its thing. It's gonna take a second, so we'll be right back. Alrighty. So our command has executed successfully. Go ahead and enter the exit and continue to Windows 10. I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up in a better spot, and we'll be right back. So we are now back up to our desktop. I'm going to go ahead and get our ISO on screen a little bit lower so you can actually see it. Now that you are back able to use a mouse, what we're going to have to do is go ahead and block out this update from coming back. Now in the old days, we would just go ahead and stop the Windows Update service, and that would be that. However, we're in the days of Windows 10, where Windows 10 doesn't like that shit. So what they did, Microsoft, Windows, whoever, what they did is they created a nice little tool. It's called the Windows Update Hide Do tool, something like that. I'd have to pull it up here, but I have it on my server, so I'm going to pull that down real quick. Pretty sure it's called WS How something. W Update Show, Windows Update Show Hide. And I will have a link to that in the description. I'm going to go ahead and run the Windows Update Show Hide program. Of course, next. It's going to detect the problems, which is pretty much it, just finding out what updates are pending, what updates are going to be going on this machine. Now we are going to be looking for that KB4074588. Now, as soon as it is ready, we will go ahead and choose that update. Alrighty, so it is ready now, and it says we have an option here for hide updates. And here it is, the problematic update. This is KB4074588. Gonna put a check mark in that guy, hit next, and it's gonna go ahead and resolve, and it's gonna hide that update. So she will not get this update again, and she will not be back because her mouse quit working again. I'm gonna go ahead and hit close and give her a nice little restart just to be sure everything still works, and you're good to go. That is this nice February 2018 Windows Update issue. No mouse. Thanks.